stuff. Somebody stole my cell phone. Like a band online.
Jesteśmy właśnie w Garment District. Hello. Ale guzików. Pełno guzików.
Me too. I want to see what it looks like when it's not.
Do I need anything? Zippers. Zippers. Oh wow. So cute. So I'm in a garment section of New York, which is amazing. I mean, if you're a designer, this is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Hi. Finally, I'm here in Mood. Oh my god. So I'm in Mood. The shop I watched in Project Runway, the giant shop with all the fabrics, and this is like a fashion district. Oh my god! Ah, look at those blues. Sorry.
It says we have more. If she wants
Look at those blues. So in Project Runway, they would come here before the challenge, and they would choose the best fabric they want to create a garment with. So I thought I will have a look. I will have a look and see like what kind of things they have. They're usually colored with the color, organized in a color. Gosh, I don't know how people can actually choose something having so much. Having so many. How can you choose what you want to do? Wow. Wow. I'll probably buy a lot of zips. Oh my gosh. This is a heaven for sewing.
a tip. I was here and he was
here this morning. I haven't seen him from like, he was here this morning.
That's
so
hysterical.
Funny. See, it's like I was thinking about it.
Hey, you still have a dog here?
No more.
Unfortunately, the dog Swatch is not here anymore. Died 2 years ago. I am sorry. Yeah, I would look for some blues actually. Some blues. Crap. Okay. So there are names. They're organized in colors. So that's probably all. Wow. Really need to know a lot about sewing before coming here. But I watched this Project Runway show, and I really wanted to come here and see it. Polylining. Lining. So lining is something you do underneath. Yeah, this is like underneath. Wow, there's no way I could figure it out in half an hour what I want to buy. This is incredible. These guys were so talented. This one's pretty cool. Or the pink one. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that one. I like this color. Silk chiffon. That's nice. Probably one that color that is like the most ocean-like. So probably this one.
Or like a smooth skirt and just have one, like the tops, and just have one area clean.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna go home and do this.
So you can do a costume like this, or you can do something like that. A dress. This. Oh, they just don't say what color. What is this fabric?
Yeah, do you have any linen? Upstairs? Okay, thank you so much.
What time? Rosa gonna go. Rosa gonna go. Rosa. What time you gonna go? So you got Nina.
Wow, this is just so nice in touch. 100% silk. Wow. Made in Italy. Wow, so nice. Silk.
Okay, well, next time we go before. I told you.
I can go now.
Please go now. Yeah,
Let me
go
go
now.
now.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Then I take a half hour, okay?
Oh, take whatever you want, but go now. Just, I'm sending her now. As soon as she comes, you go.
Tape maker. So it's $80. Wow, so so nice. $80. There are different tools.
All the tool out and as we bought it, making it smaller.
And what do you do with this? Wristband and cuffs. Oh, there's lots of.
Lena, where you going?
Do we something?
What?
I need macaroni and cheese.
I need macaroni and cheese. I love it. Stretch. I see. Ah, what? So many different colors. Nice one.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
No, pero voy a hacer vestido liso. Mira.
Ito. Wow. Tacos.
Para mí este sería
Albo taką sukienkę ślubną. Sukienkę ślubną. Albo taką koktajlową w ogóle. Wow, ale piękne. Would this be for like evening dress? What you're looking for, or it's like an evening dress? I'm in Garment District, New York.